Life insurance is one of the most important ways I can protect my loved ones financially if something happens to me. Let's break down what life insurance is, the main types of policies available, and why having a policy is such a valuable gift for my family. So first, what is life insurance? In simple terms, it's a contract with an insurance company. I pay regular premiums, and in return, the insurer promises to pay a lump sum, called a death benefit, to my chosen beneficiaries if I pass away. This money can help my family cover expenses, pay off debts, and maintain their quality of life. There are several types of life insurance, each designed for different needs. The most common is term life insurance. That's coverage for a set period, like 10, 20, or 30 years. If I pass away during that time, my family receives the benefit. Term life is usually the most affordable option, perfect for temporary needs. Then there's whole life insurance. This one lasts my entire life, as long as I pay the premiums. And it actually builds cash value I can borrow against if needed. Universal and variable life policies also last a lifetime, but they offer more flexibility. Universal life lets me adjust premiums and death benefits, while variable life ties my cash value to investments, so there's higher risk and potential reward. And if I'm mainly worried about funeral costs, final expense insurance is designed just for that. Smaller benefits, but easy to qualify for and often no medical exam. But why does life insurance matter so much for families like mine? For one, it replaces lost income. If something happens to me, my loved ones can use the payout to pay bills and keep their lives on track. It can also pay off the mortgage, car loans, or credit cards, so my family isn't left with debt. If I have kids, life insurance can help cover their education and future needs. And of course, it pays for funeral and burial expenses, taking the pressure off my family when they're already dealing with so much. Just knowing my family is protected brings real peace of mind. One of the biggest advantages? The death benefit my family receives is generally income tax-free. That means if my policy is for $250,000, my loved ones get the entire $250,000 with no federal income tax owed. In rare cases, extremely large estates might face estate taxes, but for most families, the benefit is fully tax-free. So, to wrap up, life insurance is a powerful way to protect my family's future. With a range of policy options and the benefit of tax-free payouts, I can give my loved ones financial security and peace of mind, no matter what happens. If you're thinking about coverage for your own family, talk to an insurance advisor. The right policy can make all the difference.